What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the cheap budget F355 episode number 3.
This is gonna be a really good one. The car is all done. We're gonna drive it home. We're gonna put the top down and hopefully button it all up and get it looking great to be in our hangar next to our Ferrari F430.
Another Ferrari joins the garage. Our garage is getting so Italian day by day, but we're gonna go full send in the Ferrari for the first time. He did put in a new fuel pump. That first drive video, I don't know if you guys could tell, but in the upper RPMs, it started to like sputter a little bit. Alex, quickly diagnosed it. He's like, yeah, it was toast. So he replaced it yesterday and he said, guys, it's ready to go, come pick it up. So we're at his shop right here. Cannot wait for 8,500 RPM gated 6-speed manual. And let's just say, I think we're driving by the race gas station on the way back to the warehouse. Spice it up a little bit. So
I think Mexico's on the way back too. At least last time Siri took me through Mexico.
Yeah. I think navigation does take us through Mexico. So it's gonna be a good one. Subscribe if you guys are new and let's get to it. All right, getting the other 355 out of the way. Woo, here she is. Can't wait to do the paint correction. Our boys are gonna come over and help us with that. That's gonna be a crazy transformation one of these days.
Can't wait either.
Because it's gonna clean up. There's no like huge defects or gouges with it, so.
Hopefully.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, we're back. Okay, neutral. 3, 2, 1. Yep. There she is.
Oh, that startup is way better.
A little better? Yeah. Okay, Christian, we got the top button down. It's all on there. Boy, it hasn't been stretched this hard in many years, but it made it. We got it on. It looks so good without the top, like with the top down. Man, I'm looking through the viewfinder right now. Don't worry, guys, it's completely dusty just from sitting for a couple weeks, but this thing, wait till we do the detail. It's looking so good. We're replacing this light right now. Sure, we had the Berlinetta like that one, our first one. Berlinettas are great and they probably do look the best, but having a screaming V8 behind you with the most glorious exhaust note, I'll take that.
When that top was up, it's a little claustrophobic in there.
That's true. That's true. That's true. Being 6'6". All right, ladies and gentlemen. We made it in the Ferrari. The second maiden voyage. Oh, it feels good. So good going through the gears. Okay, I did not remember how tight this pedal box was. Sounds good, he says. Oh, the manual is just so nice. Such. I'm having too much fun. Like I was saying, I don't remember the pedal box being this tight. And I have really big shoes. My knees are like jammed up against the wheel, but oh well. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. First time on the highway. Everything feels really good. Steering, super smooth. We just crossed over 26,000 miles, 26,001 on the dot. Gosh, it's so cold in Arizona. I cannot believe I'm saying that. struggle of owning 20 cars. You never know which side the fuel tank is on. All right, we made it. Here we go. Let's see if this works. Hey, there we go. Okay. Let's put some 101 octane racing fuel in it. A bargain of $8.29 per gallon.
Putting 1 gallon.
Yeah, if you did a full tank, that would be $150 tank. Whip out the good old JR Garage credit card. First start with the 101 octane. This car is gonna be thanking us. You're welcome. You've been running good, so you get the good food. Ah, yes. So you're gonna get like some pops on D-cell. You'll see, play with it.
All right, my turn, leaving the station. Oh, this car is so small. The windshield is so raked. Is this as far back as the seat goes, Jeffrey? Jeez, gotta go back further. Oh, that's it.
Did you guys see those flames? I like that, just that classic Ferrari scream. Sounds really, really good. Is it a Capristo sound? Not quite. It is not Capristo. I don't think anything can touch a Capristo sound, but this is not bad. It kind of sounds like Tubi. It's called like Fuchsia something exhaust. If you blow up this video, I'm telling you right now, if this video gets 10,000 likes, Christian and I will do the catless Y pipe, meaning when the bypass opens, it'll no longer be catted. Get this video to 10,000 likes. Oh my gosh. Oh crap, he's on those brakes. Okay guys, 10,000 likes and we will make this car scream even louder. It would be next level. So please, please, please smash that like button, please. All right, one more. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Okay. Oh. Okay, we're out of here now. We're out of here now. Mexico's gonna come for us. That was so loud. Did you guys see that flame? That was totally the race gas. This car will spit pretty big flames. Ha! It's so low, I barely need to put up the garage. Okay, I think you know what this means. A welcome to the stable, Rev. Oh, wow, what a video. That was awesome to go full send in the 355. Christian, you did all that driving for the flybys. I saw some flames. Dude, the flames, you didn't see them, the flames.
Really? I thought what I heard were flames, but they really were.
Absolutely, every little pop is a set of 2 flames. So Alex's tuning, this hauls. I mean, this puts our other 99 F1 stock car to shame.
This is more than rips, this is more than amazing. This is my favorite car to drive. As uncomfortable as it is, I'm so tight in there, I can't see anything with half of my windshield.
I know, we're moving that.
But this is
It's the whole experience.
the most fun car to drive. It's my favorite car to drive.
Yeah, the gated manual makes this car. No wonder they're worth $30,000 extra with a manual. I see every penny of it.
It's not just whoop-de-doo, it's gated, but no. You would think that it'd be difficult to shift from second to third really fast because you gotta do all that, but no. This is the fastest, easiest shifting car. So nice.
All right, Christian likes it. Gets that 10 out of 10 from Christian's book. Definitely gets a high rank in my book. I thought it was fantastic. Like we said, stay tuned for the next video where we do the full paint correction. We're gonna be putting on carbon fiber kick plates, hence why the old ones are off. There's the glue remaining residue. A couple little things we're gonna do to just make this car exactly to our liking, but overall, Alex, we cannot thank you enough. Alex Traverso, a Ferrari mechanic. You know, people say like, oh, I know how to work on Ferrari and stuff, but no, Alex knows these cars inside and out. There's a difference. And he took this car and took it from abandoned, cheap Ferrari that we bought for in the 20s, and then we got an engine, and then he put it all together. So thank you, Alex. This whole process was amazing. It's not over yet. Like we said, 10,000 likes, and we will put on, we can't really pop it completely, dang it. Can we pop it at all? I'll show a picture, but there's a Y pipe in there when the bypass opens, and it has 2 cats on it. But if you guys get this video at 10,000 likes, we're gonna hit up Fab Speed, and we're gonna get a catless Y pipe, and this thing is going to scream to 8,500 RPMs.
Yeah, that was probably toning down some of the flames, because a lot of that is bypass open, where it's going through those mini cats.
The fact that we still got flames with cats is surprising. So fully catless, this thing will spit so many flames. So please guys, get this video 10,000 likes. Comment down below what you think of this car. Would you have invested the crazy sum of $20-something thousand, the price of a new Honda Accord for a Ferrari? Yeah, I'll take the Ferrari, thank you very much. All right, Christian, final words of wisdom.
Go out and get a 355, but these deals are hard to come by. We were up all night, you know, cruising every source of these kind of cars out there, so picked off a good one. But when you do your homework, you can jump on a deal like this. We literally jumped on it within
2 hours. We wired money. Yeah, it was crazy. So we acted quick, and now it's in our garage with all the other cars and planes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night. We'll see you later. Peace.
That it feels right.